Howdy ho, everybody. Pro Trader Mike. Something's playing somewhere. I gotta find it. Got it. Yo, what's going on? What a day. What a say. Holy mamacita, yita, yita. What's up, Alex? What's up, Mike? I'll do a little overview and then we'll get to the chat today. I got the super chat working, of course. You know that. And we'll get to the main screen. A lot of cool things to go over today, folks. And things are going good, so I don't need to shave. Absolutely not. I'll put my mask on. You guys like that. Let's check over to the thing. No audio? How's the audio now? Mic check, mic check. 1, 2, 3. It's Thursday, August 9th, 12:52 p.m. Mic check. We working? What's up, Mike? Give me a little subscribe down today to the channel if you're new and you get alerted. Click the bell so every time I go live you get alerted. I got super chat down there. Love it. Everything's working fine. Sweet. Let's get into the action today. There was some very nice action in the MOJO Day Trade room today. We got a new trader to the room. Welcome. 50 pro traders left in the MOJ. Room, and I'll get right now down to the nitty gritty. Let's scroll on over so I could scroll up. Let's see which one I want to pick today. How about, she's hot, isn't she? I can't stand to look at the incredible profits that come out of the MOJO Day Trade room. This video, check it out. You guys gotta check it out. Not the one I wanted. You wanted the Ripple intro. There it is. Love that Ripple video. Nice. So we traded some really great stocks today, and I'm going to show you. Look, I accept Bitcoin. You know that, right? So let's see, 951. This system that I'm going to show you now, I'm doing a webinar this weekend. I'm going to share with everybody. I've changed the structure of MOJO University. I'm going to teach another class. It's going to be a 1-week course every day for a week. 10 people. I want your phone numbers. I want your names, your background, where you're from, how much you've ever done anything. Are you a card player? Have you been to the horse track, casino? We need to know. I need to know. Otherwise, dude, you're going to run into Big Red. The biggest red risk bar on the A, B, C, D breakout that everyone else teaches you on those chart patterns. You'll get caught in that. You'll be toast. So today's plan was nice. I did my morning routine, created my watch list, all my systems, checked my balances, reviewed my journal. I did all that nitty-gritty great stuff. Let me look at the demos over here. Demos did okay. So I have this other platform right here for this program for the new traders. See? Right here, they all get $20,000 in buying power on the demos right here. See? And you get to trade, and then 750 auto close, 20,000 in buying power. You can buy 1,000 shares, and I monitor and help you with your trading and stuff like that. And I could watch what you're buying and help you with the trading and do some reviews and things like that. It's part of the program that I have. It's nice, absolutely. So you check your systems. We did our trading plan, and let's see. This morning missed the boat on that one. Everyone hates crypto. Everyone loves them when they fly. Yeah. My dog was barking outside. He saw a squirrel or something. He wanted to kill it. The inner monologue of the dogs. I see that squirrel. Oh my gosh. He was going, look at that signal on Roku, 230 on the bid. Normally people would want to buy right here at 57.11. You're going to get burned. It's going lower, not higher. Some of the things I teach in Mojo University. Watch it go lower than 57.05. Watch. See, it's already gone. 57.04, 57.03. See? You don't want to do that. So let's scroll down and show you what we traded here today. KBSF right here at 849 by 50. Most day trade rooms and moderators were highlighting the selection of this stock off the gap scanners in the morning. And most people got suckered in and probably front run and or told to buy because it's irresponsible to tell somebody to buy a stock like this that's up 332 on 612,000, that's been at $5.30 and as high as $8.90. I buy that stock right there at $8.50. It goes to $7.50 in a minute. Isn't that describe what you do? Otherwise, if you watch it, it'll go to 15. Isn't that? But is that kind of trader you are? So at 9:21 in the morning, your moderator is telling you about KBSF. I'm telling my room to stay away. Watch. It kind of closed Marabuzu, see? Would have been a nice overnight sell in the pre-market. Made 100 on it this morning. Mr. Tom did. Banshee, that was Ovis. Ovis right here went to $1 something from a nickel right here to $1 to boom, 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 boom. We traded Ovis. KBSF destruction. We folded. Great fold. We didn't trade KBSF. I saw it right there at 931 at 671. High 795. Fold. Great fold. Fold. Ross is in it. He probably called it to his room. We'll see. We'll go on Twitter and we'll see who played KBSF off the open. KBSF. I had this guy come and challenge me on Twitter, a young punk kid. And he blocked me now. I'll show you what it was. See, he blocked me before I can even block him. He says right here, he goes, he wants to challenge me. Wonderful. I said, what's the challenge and the bet? He says, how about, oh, he took it down. Son of a bitch. Tweet unavailable. See, he took it down. But he said, why don't we put up $500,000 to $750,000 or even a full bean? He called it a bean, $1 million. Punk. Never had more than 6 figures in his bank account in his whole life. Tells me he wants to bet me for a week. $500,000 we'll put into an account. Means he doesn't have an account. If you need to put it in there, that means you don't have it. So you'd have to put up that account. Stupid. So he tells me, well, winner takes all. Who's going to bet $500,000? Who's going to bet $1 million and risk to lose that? What are you, stupid? So I'm like, I wouldn't risk 50. I'd put 50 G's on it with a punk 20-year-old that bets with things they don't have or can't afford. Only a stupid fool would bet someone with $500,000 or even $750,000 like it wasn't real. You're the scammer. Get lost. Foolish kids. Small people think like that. They're dishonest. Small people. And when I looked him up, I copied. You want to see his followers? Look. He blocked me. But he's watching now. Maggie, whoever that shit is. Look. He had followers, watch. Followers. Oh, I can't see them, but I'll show you who they are. They're all my people. Look. Following. The last 100 people right here is every one of Maggie Klein's followers. Every one of them. I followed every one of them. Then they blocked. I didn't even block them. That's the first thing I do when someone comes to me and fucks with me. I will follow, because you're only limited. You have you could do 50 follows. I could do unlimited. I have 51,000 followers. They let me get rid of as many as I like. And take as many as I like. So I got a lot of you people, but thank you for that. What's up, Ramy? So let me share a couple things with you. Ross got dudded on that shit. Ooh. That other guy, you bought KBSF, you would have been dudded. I folded. All I had to do is fold. You would have lost money. That's what I'll do to anybody who wants to trade against me. I won't really trade. I'll just fold, do one little trade for $1. You'll lose and I'll win. I'll take all your money. No one knows how to do shit. Trader Chief just joined the room today. Welcome, Chief. Trader Chief says to me right here, he just joined. He goes, I said, you need to join the room or split. I'll give you a small trade discount. He goes, yeah, I'd be in for that. Your systems work. He's been watching me for days. I gave him the $49 student rate. Welcome to the room, buddy. Welcome to the room. So then we traded right there. First trade of the day. See, that's coming down again. Ouch. Damn. How about SESN? No thanks. IQ? No thanks. How about VSTM? Anybody get VSTM today? No. It wasn't on any kind of gap scanner. It's at 828. We're in 3 big Hulk bars. So we're in VSTM under 830. Now it's 832 by 4. Now it's 835 by 40. See the signal in the level 2? I do. It's going higher. Now it's 848 by 50. See the signal in the level 2? It's going higher. Now it's 856 by 8. See the signal in the level 2? It's going higher. See that? Now, this one is going lower. And I'm laughing because I folded KBSF on the first bar up there at $8. And now it's $5.97. And I'm laughing at all the rooms that are in KBSF because I saw the videos this morning. KBSF, KBSF. I saw them. Let's see who was on KBSF. Let's go. KBSF. Chris, you're losing. And he's losing. This guy, KB, big run up pre-market tank. This guy lost on it. Sniper Trader lost on it. He said $6,000 unless he shorted it. I didn't nail Abel yesterday, but I got 2 points out of KBSF. He's a shorter. Congratulations. Great trade. Luke Murray. He used to be the moderator of Jason Bond Picks. He blocked me. He used to be the moderator of Jason Bond Picks room, dude. He's in Yelp. That's why people in my room are watching him. They picked Yelp. People in my room Yelped it out. I don't like that shit. Now I'm going to have to go see who that was in my room and go see if you're following this guy. He's in a new Fast Money Traders. He's got his own website now. I guess him and Jason didn't get along. Welcome to Fast Money. Oh, it looks just like Jason's site. Nice. Shitty logo, though. But good job for you, Luke. What do you need a membership for? You're a multimillionaire trader. Why waste your time with the chat rooms and everything? Don't you need a vacation from this shit? Take your millions of dollars and go away? You don't do any mining or nothing like that. KBSF exercising the dump. That guy lost money. He lost money. This guy lost money. This room trades smart stocks. Unless you shorted it, you lost money. KBSF, this could possibly be a big move regardless of the current price. People lost money 4 hours ago. Quick scalp on the long side in the pre-market? I guess, if you say so. right here, Michael Edward. I've been saying it for a long time. Everybody's short. Okay, he's a shorter, so short is winning today on that. This would be over $100,000 gains on Flash and Chimp Trader. Oh, there's Guy Gentile. Don't get stuck in this because he's probably already stuck or something like that, or he wouldn't say it. He'd be touting $90,000 gains. Here's the gap scanner on Trade Ideas from this morning. KBSF right up at the top was on mine too, and I folded. Deckmar trades. Let's make some money. You lost money. Jose Berrio. This guy used to be in my room. Well, there he is. Especially if he's from Brazil. Yep. Here we got a little mole. July 26th. Retweeted this guy's. Lynn, Gene. Guy used to be in my room. Alex. Another name he uses. Funny. Blocked. Sorry, dude. Oh, let's see. Brian Lee, Young Bull, Rudolph. 4 hours ago was not 8 o'clock yet. Follow the money. Oh, this guy got blown away. Anybody who followed the money with this gap scanner on KBSF, you lost big this morning. Float tiny, float tiny. Lily lost. You need to come trade with the Mojo. Massive candidate, in my opinion. Don't be shocked if it sees 10. This guy lost all his money. All right, that's about it. Let's see. YouTube. Oh, look, YouTube. It's down. KBSF. There you go. Ross lost money in KBSF. Had to have. Had to have. Knew it. That's why I said shit's gonna be frickin' dud, and now I'm laughing. Laughing. Because that's what I said. I snaked everyone in this morning. Worked the auto close? Yeah. I can't wait to see his Instagram showing the loss and praising him for the loss. Somehow it makes people follow him. It's like following someone falling off a bridge. So we're in the stock 43.84, 43.85, 43.86. Sell it. Another good trade. Can we hear what the dummy's saying about the sheep? But we did. Well, I don't want to hear it. VSTM's, we don't need to because our stock's going higher. VSTM's going to go 865. Selling it here up 220 on VSTM, plus his 100 this morning. He's up $330. Brand new pro trader. Tom, awesome. Avi did great. We traded Ovis, Cisco, and folded on KBSF for a solid day. Right here is Sigma. 1590 to go through Hines. Sigma, SGMO, which was right here. Went to 1610 on Sigma from 1590. And now we're going to do the auto close coming in down here 580 to 550 on the auto close. Taking their money right here. So I overbought it this morning on that fourth bar is going to lose their money because you're over margined and you're at too much of a loss. So we're going to come in with an entry right here at 577 to 82 and then catch it on the way down as Sigma goes through Hines right there, and we're going to trade it back up towards that 6 mark and catch it, and there's your first green bar on the spike back up. Beautiful. I folded this one at $1.84, dumped down to $1.70. 2 great folds and 4 great trades. Holding Ovis, yes we are. Trader Chief, we are holding Ovis. It's going to go. Ovis is at 88 now. Beautiful. KBSF Destruction, no worries. How we like our room. VSTM's 864 right now. VSTM went to 914. That's my stock from this morning. So it's VSTM. No one would have known it right here. That would have made this move right from here where I picked it at 930, right on the number. No one knew anything about it. It went all the way up right here to $9. Excuse me, came back down to stopping station at 872 and then went right back up to 914 again. And this is how the MOJO trades. So if you weren't in VSTM for that move, it didn't come up on any gap scanners, but I picked it. All right. So right here, KBSF at 544, we're going to squeeze that 550 and start selling it at 64 and stuff. So that's what we did. Now it's 61, heading up into 64 for a profit. Chairlift up, rail grind right there. Ovis is 87 now. That's the chairlift that I wanted with the rail grind that we're seeing in Ovis that I got in the other one. How about Luna? Luna. Traded before. Used to call it a lunatic. 100,000 shares up 5% at 393 by 395. Looks okay, but it's not enough volume. Looks good maybe into tomorrow. Looks pretty good. It's a wonderful thing when you know how to trade and you have a system. Everybody's changing from a strategy to a system because I go to their old websites and they're all saying strategy. Now they have the best system that they've developed and they can't wait to show it to you. They've won 4 days in a row on it. It's amazing. It's so amazing. Dude, I've been doing this for 25 years, man. Anyone could pick a stock that goes up when the market's up at 25,000 from 15. Find VSTM, you won't, and none of these other picks you won't. Doesn't matter. And I'll never tell anybody where I get them or how I do them. Take your small gains. How's Ovis? Focused. Very nice. Ovis went to 88. In at 85. Sold KBSF at 64. Great job. New to all this, you just need to do the Hines, correct. Very smart advice. Great job, pro trader Elena, who's brand new to the room. Nothing under $3, the too unpredictable. Boom, SCEO goes over Hines right there. Sell KBS around 7,575, of course. See this right here. You see, Chief, I saw this video of this guy, and he was up put in Bitcoin and Litecoin, and he made so much money, but then he lost over $100,000, and he was off for some time, and he was so depressed and beating himself up, and when he was back thinking about it, because he's okay now, months have passed, he's like, one day when he went somewhere, and he was up, Litecoin went from 70 to 100, and then 100 to 150, and then the next morning it was at 400, and he looked and he's like, this is freaking insane. It's like I can't even look anymore. And that was his signal, and he said it. Maybe when I look back, when I got all crazy gung-ho inside, that was his signal to sell, and it was. And that's what we do. See how you said, oh, it's up around 575. You were like, oh, shit, Mike gave it to me at 550. It's 575. Should I ask if I have to sell? Of course, that was your signal. 9 out of 10 times after you do that, it goes lower. And look, it's 485. A point lower. So Cisco is Hinesing, of course. We played Cisco this morning. Right here. It's 43.94 right now. It's been up and down, but we played it right through that, right here this morning on the 5-minute. It went 44.04 on the first bar, came down. We bought it off this bar right here at 71. Excuse me, and sold it back up at 44 again. So that was what happened on Cisco this morning. And then we sold Ovis. Good job, Trader Chief, who just joined the room. He wasn't a member at that time. Now he's a member because he's been in here. He's following the MOJ, seeing what I do, how I call out the picks. You can connect to the screen share right here. Let me just make sure no one's connected now that shouldn't be. So I like booting them because it's like, hey, they're in my house. And I got you in the hotel room. I busted you and you don't even have a key. Let's go in and let's see who's connected to my screen. I think I disconnected it. Yeah, during my shot. There is no live screen share. So that was that. And then he said, wow. I didn't even see that. Did you see that? He said, wow. Dude, any super chats would be appreciated. Super chat button. I'm giving you vital information. Let's see some love. You disconnected it? Why? No, I see it. No, I can send. It says send super chat. I can send myself money if I want to. Yeah, screen shares out. Super chat. Super chat works. Super chat works. So this was the chairlift rail grind back up on that one trade we did on KBSF. And then we continued trading. Cisco was Heinzing. And right here, TBH, I'm going to school working on my schedule. Absolutely packed. Cool. That's why I gave him a student rate. Yay. Yes, my delivery has arrived. I'll show you. I get up to that. With the right education, it's very profitable. Most of the people in my room are day trading for a living. They're here full-time as a career. All the pro traders, they're here every day. Been with me for years. And guys, the swing newsletter, I haven't sent any out because I'm thinking there's a market correction and there's no need to send out a newsletter for a pick. Just to send out a pick, let's just day trade and make a lot of money every day. I use the DOS Trader Pro, so do I. Using TradeStation, 7 ain't going to work. I'll show you how to split that in half. You're going to paper trade first. You're going to come to my webinar. What I'm doing is I'm holding a webinar, guys. Go to my website, MOJODayTrading.com. My day trading profit system. Show up for the meeting. It's Saturday at 8 p.m. We're going to hang out on YouTube just like we are right now. And I'm going to share some things with you with this new trader program that I have. A profit system that shows you how you can make $1,000 a day in just 30 minutes with very high trade accuracy, where to find the stocks to trade, how to gain your edge and win like a casino, real world examples of my recent trades, and plus a free gift in the meeting. See below. You register right here, just click. You'll come up, it's in 2 days. It's my profit system. So just show back up here with this link during this, and I'll show you what it's all about. I am teaching it. I've been trading for 25 years. I started the MOJO Day Trading with the purpose to supply stock picks better than the next guy that's honest and transparent. 6 years later, it's still working. I've personally taught thousands of traders from all over the world how to day trade for a living. Let my high trade accuracy and consistent results serve as evidence that I could teach you my simple to learn profit system. This profit system that I've discovered day trading stocks, I could teach to you. I'm really looking forward to sharing this with you in my free training class. It's just a meeting we're going to get together with, and you're going to get this level 2 video at the end of the meeting just for free, just for showing up, which is worth $99. My day trading class is going to be limited to 10 new students, 10 traders who want to seriously learn how to trade stocks for a living. Some of these other courses are charging double of what I'm doing with twice to 4 times as many students. Guy sent me one this morning. We got 2 spots left open. We were only supposed to take 30. There's 48, so I'm opening up 2 more to make it around 50. Well, if it was 30 and you're only going to be able to handle 30 and you got 48, you're neglecting 50% of the 30 in the group. Now you have 50, and it's a short window. How are you going to meet, greet, help, review, do that with everyone, still have your own time to do things with, and trade your own account and run your business? It's totally impossible. So be sure you come to mine and you get what you pay for. Okay? Month 1, 50% of my traders make money. Month 2, 70%, 3, 80%, all the way snaking it to a year. Bullshit. All my traders make money with my system from day number 1. Day number 1. It's a system based on positive expectancy that gives you an edge in the casino, which is the day trading stock market. Let's see. I'll show you everything, Trader Chief. Don't worry about it. Send me your phone number in my message. We traded go, they're in, then I got my boxes. I got a shipment today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes arrived on the farm. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, look at this. Zotac 1080 Ti's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 30 Zotacs. Sweet. Zotac 1080 Ti's. Boom. Very cool. It's a lot of hash power. A lot of hash browns. So Florida, yeah, turn up the heat, and I had to leave because I got to go back later. It was too hot in there. But it's hot everywhere across the entire country. It's unbelievable. And that's what we did today. So welcome. AQXP, nice turnaround. Let's go over some things. A couple things. Like Bitcoin. IBM to launch blockchain shipping supply platform. That's called like Bitnotic. Like my token. This is like Bitnotic. I just got this token. Right here, Bitnotic. Join the revolution of naval logistics. Right there. Blockchain platform for the shipping industry. And you can buy tokens. You want to see something cool? Look at this. Render token. Render token. Look. Distributed GPU rendering on the blockchain. OTOY provides GPU-based software solutions that aid in the creation and delivery of cutting-edge digital content. Octane Render, the first world's fastest GPU-accelerated, unbiased, physically correct renderer, uses graphic cards in your computer to render photorealistic images super fast on parallel compute capabilities, creating stunning works in fractions of the time. I needed to write that for them there. They just need to come to the MOJO. Okay? So, dude, this is what I'm getting into in the future. Better uses for the GPU power. And I got 30 1080 Ti's right there. Go ready to rock and roll, mamacita. So there's some great companies coming out, some great new technologies. I'm aware of all of them, and I'm on the cutting edge of every one of them. Why? How? Because I'm a polymath. Like Elon Musk. See, Elon Musk is a polymath. Is Elon Musk a polymath? Hell yeah. We be smart engineer. So at age 10, he grew interest in computing, and by 12, taught himself computer programming and sold the code to a game blaster for $500. By 24, received a degree in physics and economics from the University of Pennsylvania, moved to California and applied the materials at Stanford. Now he's the CEO of Tesla, SpaceX, Hyperloop, PayPal, and X.com, and SolarCity. Okay? What is a polymath? It's someone who's able to problem solve multiple things. Let's see. And I like to see things and then try to solve them. Polymath is a person whose expertise spans significant numbers of subject areas. As a person is known to draw on complex bodies of knowledge to solve specific problems. That's what I'm looking at. I got some unbelievable things that I can't talk about, but working on. IBM launching blockchain supply. Mazel. Great job. Love that. Let's tweet that one. See what they're doing. So I'll tweet that to my audience. I like that one. IBM and Danish transport logistics giant Maersk have launched a global enabled shipping solution. Jointly developed 94 organizations and 154 million shipping events already captured. The global supply chain has been dubbed Trade Lens and is a data set reported to grow rate race to close to 1 million shipping events a day. Sick. Trade Lens participants now include 20 port and terminal operators worldwide, as well as international customers and authorities, logistics firms, owners, and Thing reports. Forbes notes, collectively, shipping companies account for more than 20% of the global supply chain and 235 marine gateways around the world. Internet of Things. Sensor data. Beautiful. IBM's first departure legacy from platforms they initiated in a 12-month trial that would become Trade Lens back in March 2017. The trial revealed that a blockchain-enabled solution could reduce transit time of a shipment of packaging materials to a production line in the U.S. by 40%, saving thousands of dollars. Love it. That's a great new article right there. What else came out? Be aware, UK financial regulator sound alarm over another crypto clone firm. Okay, well, I'm not into that. What countries are the best to start blockchain projects? Any. ICO market dubbed since last year shows increased investment. Would you mind explaining blockchain? Yeah, hi, Rajan. Let me show you what the blockchain is. Let me show you. It's a ledger system. Every chain is individual. Anyone could start a blockchain. Let me show you what image. All right, this is a blockchain. See them? Like, see? That's a blockchain. I'll show you. We don't know which is the master node, the first one that started the chain. It could be, let's say, him. Oh, I'm sorry. Let's say, I pick a different circle. Let's just say, for argument's sake, he started this. You can see the spider's web, the master node. He connected, he connected, he connected, he connected, and he connected. And from there, he connected, he connected, he connected. And all these little dots are computers. My computer, this is me, Rajan, right here. This is MR. This is you, Rajan, right here. This computer right here is Alex. This is another one, and every little dot is a computer. The line in between is invisible. It just connects our computers like the internet. And all this is a distributed, open, decentralized, everyone can see it, it's all open, And they're just computers connected to each other, talking to each other. That's what the blockchain is. And with Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, these computers are verifying transactions between two people, peer-to-peer. So the verification of the cryptocurrency transaction happens when 6 of these computers from around the world, 6, verify that I send you money. That's how Bitcoin is so secure and stable and can be built upon. Bitcoin is digital gold. It's fungible. It's worldwide. It's global. It's could be used for anything. And there's a limited supply. So you can't keep on printing it if things go bad and this and that. It's a great system. And it doesn't need to be centralized and run by a government. So they're trying to scramble, trying to say, you know, Bitcoin ETFs, oh no, we're not going to let you. But how many times are you going to send the people away from your door? You either got to move or let them in. Crabby old man, bang on your door, send me away. Crabby old man, send me on your... Dude, eventually you're going to have to move or answer the door, dude. Because we're coming in. Right now there's 5 people outside. But we keep on banging on the door and you don't answer, there'll be thousands of people outside. We'll overtake you. Because the majority rules. And the majority, what I've seen, is in support of Bitcoin and ETFs and big money coming in. So the blockchain is simply computers that are connected to each other around the world that are talking to each other, either verifying, rendering, or doing whatever. But on the blockchain, it's a ledger system that they're keeping track of the numbers on. That's it. One computer connected to the other computer. And the block and the chain is when the computer actually does something and it produces something. It produces a block of something, a coin, a 3D image, anything. It connects one to the other. It's like a brand new road and you fill it with tar in the machine and you turn it on and it moves down the road and it fills in the new pavement. Slowly, so long as it's running and moving down the road, the miners are behind it, filling in the black hole. That machines keep on moving, and eventually you look back and you got a brand new road built, a lot of blocks. As long as the miners are there, as long as the machine's running, long as it's profitable, good, and of value, they want to build that road because they're building houses, new communities, and everything on the blockchain. If you can't see it, then you're blind. It's bigger than that. It's bigger than a net. It is a network like a WAN, but it's bigger than that. It's controlled everything by decentralized apps that are built. dApps, they're called. DAPPS. Right here, see? The dApps control everything, dude. They're building it all. Look, dApp. What are dApps? The decentralized future. What dApps, you might ask? Imagine having a car. Imagine having your car working away, transporting passengers while you're at work. Imagine having your computer utilizing its spare capacity to serve businesses and people across the globe. Imagine being paid for browsing the web and taking ownership of your arguably invaluable attention. Imagine the world like that. That world's not far away. A paradigm shift in the way we view software models is approaching. When Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency, made us reassess our definition of store of value, it also revealed a sneak peek of the future. A world running on decentralized apps, dApps. These distributed, resilient, transparent, and incentivized applications will prove themselves in the world by remapping the technological landscape. Before even a fathom of a dApp, we need to be familiar with what the underlying technology of the blockchain is. Simply put, it's a ledger of organized blocks that are linked together by cryptographic validation. It's a digital storage of consensus truth. The key to understanding that the ledger is neither stored in a centralized nor managed any single entity, it's distributedness. The block validation results in new transactions and added irreversibly old transactions preserved forever for all to see. Hence, the newly paved highway. Okay? The birth of decentralized apps, open source, decentralized, incentivized, and protocol. Proof of work, proof of stake, proof of future. The Ethereum network, intro to dApps, the benefit of dApps, successful base dApps, and everything about dApps. Okay? So let me go to move off the dApps. And let's go back to Cointelegraph. ATM right here. Cool people putting down ATMs. Crypto exchange expands. I get to that's something I want to talk about. Bitcoin losses. Korea exchange. Blockchain media. How can you fight Iranian? Ukraine election uses blockchain for voting. Say it's all future. Opera to launch built-in cryptocurrency wallet. Beautiful. People in the Opera even like it. I think they may have taken it down, that son of a bitch. Jamie Dimon. Here he is. JP Morgan. Jamie Dimon returns to Bitcoin bashing, calls cryptocurrency a scam. The CEO of JP Morgan. Okay, let's go and look at something, shall we? JP Morgan. Crypto bank. Because I invested in Crypterium in December. The JP Morgan crypto bank. If the CEO is so against crypto, why would they make a crypto bank? So funny, isn't it? Oh, JP Morgan's being sued. Unexplained crypto charges. Deal. Let me show you the crypto bank. Crypterium, it's called. Right here. Visit Crypterium has been conducted. It was already conducted. You can see right here. It was conducted from October 31st to January. That's when I did it. 70,000 tokens, 400,000 users, and 35,000 in the Telegram industry. Token sale was completed ahead of schedule, as a result reaching the hard cap. During the token sale, we issued 99 million tokens, 70% were sold, 30% reserved for project needs. Crypterium questions. What is Crypterium? They changed the website. Registration number. Where is JP Morgan? Maybe they took their name off of it. But this used to say JP Morgan, crypto bank, more than 45 million businesses. Banks could start trading crypto May 18th. And that's funny. JP Morgan. Blockchain. I mean, if I got the crypto bank. Wow. Let me show you something. Wayback Machine. This is the Internet Archive. If you ever want to see what a website used to look like, come here. It'll show you what it used to look like. Let's go to that website. Crypterium. Browse. Crypterium. See? January. Click this date. Hey, bud, I'll be out in a minute. Over here. All right, let's go back. Click here, and I'll show you. Look, crypto bank for the. I told you, dudes. The Wayback Machine. Give me a little super chat, dudes. That shit's worth a bunch of tip-tolas, man. Fuck yeah. Look at that. Crypto bank for the crypto people. Pay with any cryptocurrency in 42 million stores. Why CRP? Why Crypterium? Why? See? Founders on the Crypterium banking revolution. A bank for everyone. Worldwide. The leading crypto bank for the crypto economy. Mobile. Everything. Crypto bank. Crypterium. See? Cryptocurrency. Technology of a blockchain. See all this? The CRP token. ICO timeline. Our partners. Our advisors. Didn't see nothing for JP Morgan. Very interesting. I don't know how I'm mistaken. I saw it with JP Morgan. In 8 years, the crypto economy will exceed $10 trillion. Crypto banks will become a cornerstone in relations between a decentralized economy and the future daily life by expanding payment infrastructure and possibilities, creating new crypto payment scenarios, and lowering interest rates. Thank goodness. Crypterium is a crypto bank creating the future of today. 200 million potential clients. You see these things popping up on the bottom of my screen? They're not real. Guys, if you go to your website and they have something popped up says I just bought that, it's this company called Proof. And I don't have it on my site, and I never will. It's just such bullshit. I hate snaking people, man. Proof.com shows you the pop-ups that come on your site for fake, and you can freaking do it. Boost website conversions. Use Proof right here. See? And then look, look all the things pop up on the bottom and shit. But it's not real, man. It increases your sales online. It's all bullshit. So there's the Wayback Machine. And this guy, man, I'm telling you, they had something to do with crypto banks. And now he's saying he doesn't. So he's a hypocrite. And I got some building to do. I want everybody to thank you for watching my show. Check it out later. Thank you for the new guys coming aboard. And glad you like my explanation on blockchain. I'm on my way to building big money. Let's farm the world. Absolutely. All right, guys. I'll speak to you later. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Keep it profitable, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.